Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure Capcut supports local audio imports and that you have a licensed sound file on your device. Tap to open your project, then use the plus icon and select Media, Audio, Import to bring the track in. Once imported, place the audio onto the timeline under your clip so you can edit precisely. Make sure the file name and length match your intended segment. This avoids re-importing later and keeps your timeline organized. Now edit the audio so it supports your visuals. Trim the ends, split for precise sync, and position segments on the timeline where you want beats or hits. You should adjust volume and add fades to prevent abrupt cuts. Normalize to around -6 dB so dialogue remains clear. Use additional tracks to separate music from voiceover and lock tracks you don't want to shift. Once done, play back small sections to confirm timing and level. Finish by exporting with high-quality audio. Set 48K HZ and a high bitrate to preserve fidelity, so the copyrighted track stays intact. If a distribution platform flags or blocks the music, replace it with a properly licensed file or obtain the platform's permission. This is why starting with cleared audio matters. If you notice sync drift after export, re-import the exported file back into Capcut, check frame rate and project settings, and realign clips. That usually fixes timing discrepancies.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.